Today is going to be a great and fulfilling day. I greet today with calmness and confidence. Am happy, healthy, and secure. I have everything I need to solve any challenges that arise. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful. I am grateful for all that. I have all that I am and all that is. I will make good choices all day, using my inner wisdom. I inspire those around me. Today, wonderful things will unfold before me. I inhale confidence and exhale doubt. I believe in myself with every fiber of my body. I greet the morning sun, knowing that wonderful opportunities lie ahead of me. Today will be a beautiful adventure. I am both whole and complete. I feel positive in every cell of my body. Good things will come easily and freely to me. Today will be a perfect day. I am becoming better every day. Today, I will attract a deeper love and appreciation for myself. I choose to fill myself with positive energy. My mind is filled with positive and nourishing thoughts. I can handle anything that comes my way. My life is filled with success and love. I am limited by nothing and have unlimited potential. I choose peace and harmony as my way of life. Good things will flow into my life today. Today, I will attract success, abundance, and well-being. Everything is going to work out for my highest good. I am in full control of my life and enjoy it with every fiber of my being. My day will be filled with love and prosperity. I am imaginative and my creativity flows endlessly. I am at peace with the world. My relationships with those I love are constantly strengthening. I wake up every day with a deep sense of peace and love. Wonderful things will happen to me today. My body is vibrant and healthy. I welcome today with open arms. I start every day off on the right foot. I will spread and attract love everywhere I go. I have total confidence in my ability to achieve. I am an unstoppable force, capable of achieving anything. I look forward to the excitement and joy that today will bring.